Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lewa. I am going to show you how my beautiful natural hair went from this to this defined curls using a $4 deep conditioner. And I'm also going to compare the results to a $22 curl defining cream that I got. So if you'd want to see how I defined my curls, keep watching. So I got this deep conditioner by Shandy Naturals. It's called Hair Revival. I got this for, in Nigeria, it's 3,500 naira, which is less, even less than $4. And when I tried this product, I was like, oh my goodness, what is this? Really a deep conditioner? I think it should be a styling cream. And then I will compare the results to this Miche Beauty curl defining cream called Bounce. It's actually one of my favorite curl defining creams. I know I am using a deep conditioner as a styler. When it's close to my wash day, I like to experiment with different products and use them differently to see if they can be used in different ways from how they are marketed. So yes, I will still wash the products out, but I'm really excited to show you the results that I got. So let's get to it. On a normal day, this is what my hair looks like. I washed my hair last week. Today is Sunday. So I'm going to wash my hair again. I have sectioned my hair. I'm going to apply the deep conditioner on one side, and I'll apply Miche Beauty's Bounce Curl Defining Cream on this side. So I'm going to spritz my hair with some water first. This is just water. Then work it in my hair. And then section it. I will start with this section. Take some of the product. I'm going to use this much, might be a bit too much, but so this is what it looks like on this side with the deep conditioner. That was actually quite fast. It took probably less than 15 minutes. So on my type 4 hair, that's not too long at all. So I think it looks good. What do you think? I'd love to know. Like I said, this is just an experiment. I'm not wearing it out or anything. I'm just fascinated by the curl definition it has given. Look at that. Look at that. Very impressive. Very, very impressive. Yeah, that is impressive. I'm just going to twist this section and then go over to this section where I'll apply the curl defining cream by Miche Beauty, which is called Bounce. So I'm going to apply it on dry hair, but then because my hair is not freshly washed, it's very likely that I might get flakes with this one because it contains flaxseed gel. But let's see how it goes. Let's start with this. Okay. I have low porosity hair, so it takes some time for products to absorb. And on dry hair, I tend to use more products than on wet hair. But eventually I'll spray some water on my hair. So I have just applied Miche Beauty's curl defining cream on this section. This is what it looks like. These are the curls. What do you think? And then this side is the deep conditioner by Shandy Naturals. What do you think? Which side is more defined? This side actually feels more defined. Of course, I can't really see it, but I'm going to check this side in my opinion. And it feels firmer, like it has some kind of hold. But on the list of ingredients, there's nothing there that suggests that any product there might give some hold. And I've only air dried. This side also, it feels quite dry. But I can feel more frizz definitely on this side. So I would like to know what you think. Which side looks more defined? I would really love to know. I actually feel that some products that are marketed as one thing can be used in so many different ways. I know melanin hair care, her leave-in conditioner, can be used in 7 different ways. So as a detangler, as a leave-in conditioner, a rinse-out conditioner, a hair mask, a styler. So probably this product can also be used in different ways, and I should record a video using it in different ways. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. I would like to know if you have some other products, maybe some deep conditioners that you use maybe as a rinse out conditioner or as a styler or just as a regular moisturizer. Please let me know in the comment section below, and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't, and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a subscriber. I hope you've enjoyed this video saying how I have defined my curls on my type 4 natural hair, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.